Hi, I'm Karen McTavish, an APQS long arm instructor, and we're going to show you McTavishing. A lot of you know that I love the Millie, and Millie is my favorite machine. I'm just going to show you some how-tos on how to do it, and we're going to start in non-stitch regulation mode. So that's manual mode, and we're about 12, 13, 14 stitches per inch. And what I'm doing is just a continuous, very dense background filler, and here we go. So this is a combination of C-shapes and swirls. It's very, very dense. And then once I get a few scrolls in there, it's just about backtracking out of it with these C-shapes. I do like 3 or 4, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, so they kind of look like paisleys. And every once in a while I'll throw in a scroll. And you're supposed to have fun with it, right? So everybody's background filler will look slightly different than, you know, everybody's got their own style to it. So you really want to play around on paper. So when I get stuck in a tight spot, I'm going to do those C shapes to escape. And it's a very dense background filler that you can use for any kind of free motion machine quilting, pushing back backgrounds where you need the piecing to pop up. What I'm trying to do here is not have too much thread buildup and try not to get too much backtracking. So like right here you can see a little bit of thread buildup. So this is what I use commonly instead of, say, micro stippling or tiny little loops. Another great thing is we've got this great black light in the back. Now I can really see my stitching, which isn't very comfortable all the time to see all your mistakes, but it's really nice when you have a print, and that print is really, you know, making it hard for you to see your quilting. So that black light and a fluorescent thread is pretty magical. So it's a combination of swirls and backwards C shapes. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, and then switch it up, go another direction. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and that's how you do McTavishing.